Ayan, hi chef, congrats. And happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ayun.
Birthday September baby.
September babies. OC.
So far po, kasi parang ang dami niya nang na-achieve na rin. Parang nagkaroon ka ng book, restaurant, mga recipes, at marami pang iba. Ano pa yung parang gusto mo ma-achieve this year or in the coming years?
Ako for me kasi, I feel that I'm moving out of the parang just being a chef, diba? Na, of course, I've done a lot. I've been cooking for so many years. And I feel that I'm moving towards the direction of being a mentor to the younger generation, to be able to impart knowledge, wisdom, to be able to guide them with the right values. So, yun talaga yung siguro yung age of maturity na yung naabot ko, na I'm not doing things for myself, pero creating the mechanisms for others to succeed as well. So kaya nga ako, I want to work with the younger generation of chefs, continue to impart knowledge and all that. Pero not only sa social media, but also taking action, di ba? Kasi hindi naman kasi tayo pwede puro lang tayo salita, but being really at the forefront of making things happen. Kaya for example, ito, yung event natin na ganito lang to kasimple. Pero it is our team, akong team sa Vertical Creatives that initiated all this, di ba? Yung event when we do like kasi ang dami naming involvement sa, di ba, mga relief efforts, mga ganyan. Hindi tayo, ang feeling ko kasi, ang dami na kasing tao na who are very idealistic, pero do not make concrete changes in society because natatali lang sila sa dun sa ganun. So ako, I really want to be someone who is able to make things happen and change people's lives.
Chef, you mentioned na gusto nyo ito impart yung knowledge sa mga younger generation, younger chefs.
Yeah.
Do you formally teach in schools? Right?
Ang sa akin kasi, I don't formally teach in schools for the reason na I think it will limit me if I just do like a class. Kaya sa akin, we are utilizing social media, no, as an avenue to be able to educate, no. We're expanding our reach, no. We're expanding to new platforms. We are publishing books, and we will be launching mga bagong series kasi na parang mentorship and all that very soon. So, parang ganun siya na how to be able to amplify. Kasi, ang aking feeling kasi, I'm not where I am for no reason. Diba? So, sa akin, having these platforms, having this avenue to reach a bigger audience, ayaw ko siyang masayang lang na maging parang just to create content para lang mag-viral, para lang, diba, magpapansin or ganun. I really want to be able to use that influence to be able to move other people. Like when we do relief operations, of course, gamit ko yung page ko, gamit ko yung social media ko. Pero we call bigger companies to support us, which they do, and we take concrete actions on ground to make things happen. Hindi lang kami yung one-sided na for content lang eh, di ba? It's really creating the mechanisms. Kaya napapansin nyo, marami akong mga sponsors, maraming mga nagsusupport kasi they really see us doing concrete action on and off social media.
Would you be willing, chef, to parang hold workshops sa mga community?
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have plans to do all that, working with government, DOT, DTI, ganun siya. Pero sa akin kasi it's really having a mechanism na sustainable. Kasi ayaw ko kasi yung pa-cute-cute, di ba? Nakita mo na, oh, ito yung ginawa ko, hindi siya sustainable, hindi siya programmatic. Just like when we did the Simple series, it's not just like one book, it's a continuous series tackling different topics and all that. Kasi it's a education kasi is parang never ending eh. Diba? Like next year I'm releasing I think 2 or 3 books next year. So one is about Philippine cookery, another is like leadership, motivation book and all that. So we're evolving even in our content.
Chef, how many books na yun na ilabas niyo?
Ang simple series nasa 6 book ang lalabas, but I have 2 other books that I published before that. So it's mga 8 books na halos siya.
But as of now, Chef, lahat po ba ng books nyo rin available as ebook format or?
No, for now they're just physical books, and most of them siguro I think half of the books are already sold out, so we're reprinting siguro. And I think and all these books are published by our company, Vertical Creatives. We're an independent publisher, so imagine mo, we're funding research, we're funding content creation, we're funding a lot of things na hindi siya ordinary content, di ba? It's really quality content. Pero we're doing it independently. Kaya we really strive to do things excellently para more people will see the value of our efforts, and number 2, we gain more support.
Ano rin po meron po rin po kayo news about Tindeli, like expansion or ano?
For Tindeli kasi, the concept really of Tindeli is tindahan and delicatessen. So it's really like the vision is really to become a hub of Filipino products. So para siyang duty-free na Filipino products lahat, yun ang concept. So hopefully once eto kasi siya, now we're just like prototyping and finalizing everything, but the vision really is to be able to tie up with small manufacturers around the country and to be able to push them under one brand, under Tindeli. But we're supporting, like for example, we're selling chocolate from Bohol. We have coffee from Mount Apo and from Kalinga, and we have all these things sourced locally pero in a setting na hindi siya yung, alam mo na, feel mo na parang hindi siya yung barangay level, hindi lawid. Di ba? Parang it's still posh, it's still very young, it's still very ganun. Pero I'm doing this independently wala naman akong ibang investors for this. So it's a slow climb moving forward, pero the vision and the principles are very clear to us. So hopefully very soon we'll begin to expand.
Chef, this is online and offline, di ba?
Yes, online and offline. Yeah.
So mas wider din.
Mas wider ang pero when you do online kasi, it's also logistics heavy. So sa amin, we're building the infrastructure, we're building that.
Chef, you mentioned yung Tindeli and then yung printings.
Yeah.
Apart from being a chef kasi, loved chef sa Philippines and everywhere, we also know you as you're building a business enterprise already. So,
yeah.
How many ginajuggle nyo ngayon?
Actually, dami kasi, like for example, like we operate restaurants, no? We have Lore, we have Pasador, we have Pandan, Tindeli, and hopefully we can expand, no? Hindi lang siya one, parang eventually pwede mag-branch, ganun siya. So I do that. I'm also CEO and president of Vertical Creatives, which is our media company which does, of course, publishing, social media, marketing services. So I juggle mainly that, and I have also involvement in other mga consultancies and all that.
How are you doing all of this?
I have a very efficient staff. So sa aking team, medyo malaki yung team ko, and I always believe. Kaya feeling ko talaga yung calling ko is mentorship, because I want to, kasi sabi like even ba't di ka natatakot na magturo ng tao sa mga recipe? Sabi ko, kung hindi ako mag-move up, no one else is going to move up. Sabi ko sa mga head chefs ko, di ba? If I remain to be in the kitchen, maging assistant kita forever. So, sa aking role, very clearly, within our organization, ako, face and name na lang ako. But, you are the head. Ako man kasi, if you really want to develop leaders, you have to empower them. You have to give them the opportunity to grow and make mistakes and find their own space in the industry. Kaya ako kasi, I strive to move higher and higher so that my staff can keep moving up. Ayaw ko yung parang ako na lang lahat, ako na lang yung bida lahat kasi no one will learn. And imagine mo, tatanda ako pa rin yung, di ba, nagigisa dun sa kusina. I will not allow that to happen also, di ba? Sa akin, imagine if ako, with all this influence, hindi ko nga ma-improve yung state of affairs ko, how much other people who have less opportunities than I have. So, ako, iniisip ko na, kung ano yung pinaghirapan ko to get where I am, I don't want the younger generation to undergo or, experience that.
Chef, meron na po ba kayong mini-mentor o na-mentor na chef na rin that you think na parang ito yung magiging katulad ko, parang gano'n?
Alam mo, to be honest, ako kasi I'm so personally I will not wish my struggles to be experienced by other people kasi siguro sa larangan ng pagka-chef meron, pero ako kasi I do a lot. I do media work, I do publishing, sobrang dami kong ginagawa na very complex ba and very challenging, and especially entrepreneur ka din na, di ba, hindi naman ako back up by big capital. Di ba, imagine, sabi ko nga, di ba, mali yata yung pinasukan ko na industriya. Kasi parang negosyo ko, publishing, at saka restaurant, pang-oligarch na level. Yung pang-oligarch, it's for people who have money to burn, but I'm doing it on my own, and it's, to be honest, it's a struggle. Hindi ganun siya kahirap. But I make things happen. I always believe that, parang by developing people, kaya like for example, yung mga head ng mga restaurant ko, they run it on their own halos. Di ba? Like ang head ko ng lore, siguro mga 14 years na sa akin, nagsimula sa akin, extra lang, estudyante, high school pa, sana. Ang head ko ng commissary, isang unit ng commissary, dati kong hardinero, nag-start doon, nag-gardener na lang, natuto sa kusina, and now, head na ng isang unit ng commissary. Yung head ko dito, matagal na rin sa akin, so many years. So, it's really, you see people moving up ba, little by little. Of course, I'm a small organization, I can't really make so much happen, pero we're achieving something, and yun naman, alam mo, what drives the economy are small and medium scale businesses. And ang pinaka-tax, ang pinaka-nahirapan sa mga LGUs, permits, licenses, taxes, kami. Pero who provides the most jobs? Diba? So sa akin kasi it's really about talking about these things and having an avenue. Kasi we always glamorize entrepreneurship. We always glamorize like being chefs or whatever. We don't know how hostile the business and work environment is for these kinds of people who make things happen. Kaya ako, that's what I want to talk about, na ayaw ko, sabi ko nga sa team, ayaw ko naman tumanda ako na yung contribution ko, magturo lang kung paano mag-isa, paano magluto ng ganito, di ba? I should move up, and even our vision for Simple, yung Simple channel namin, is to open it up to younger and passionate content creators. No? Papasok na namin siya na to diffuse the pagka-focus ni Chef Tatong dun sa channel, but to usher in a new generation of content creators. So that's part of our vision. Like for example, we want to publish books by other authors. We want to be able to open that up. Pero yun lang nga, baby steps tayo kasi maliit lang, di ba? I also have my own struggle in my career. The business has its own struggle, and the entire economy is also struggling. Hindi naman, yeah, we're not in the best of economic situations right now.
Okay. Thank you, Chef.
I talk too much.
Yeah, taka na po. Thank you.
Chef,
Thank you. Thank you.
very much.
Thank you po.